am recording it. Okay.
Okay.
So what are these types of malware? What is malware by definition?
It's suspicious.
What is mal here? Mal. What is mal here?
Don't use it exactly.
You know malfunction?
I read it. But
Yeah. Malfunction is like it is not working properly.
okay.
Okay. So in short, what we will be calling it as malicious software or malfunctioning software. Okay. So in short, it is intentionally to designed to cause a damage to the computer or server, client or computer network. So that is what malware definition is. Okay.
It's doing intentionally.
It is intentionally.
Okay.
Okay. That is called malware. So the intention is to harm, and it is designed to cause a harm. That is called malware. Okay, which will include your viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and then spyware, adware, and then your rootkits. Okay, these are all the various types of malware. Okay, they typically steal the their aim is to steal a sensitive data, number one, or to disrupt your operations. So if you are working it, your laptop suddenly crashes,
Yes.
or there should be a disruption. That is the intention, or gain a unauthorized access. Okay, or to extort money. Okay, I will lock all your files. You provide me this, or else I will not be allowing you to access it. Okay, that is what the malware will be trying to do. Okay,
Okay.
it will spread through email attachments. Okay,
Email attachments.
yeah, or malicious downloads. So you download some file. Okay, it automatically enters. Okay, or else what you will do, uh, you have visited some compromised websites.
Okay.
Okay, from there you will enter, the malware will enter, or USB drives. So somebody will intentionally keep pen drives in parks so that the other people can use. Okay, so once you use that, automatically that will spread. It will spread automatically. Okay, or network vulnerabilities. So these are all the malware information. Okay, so now we'll see what are these agenda agenda for this slide. Okay, types of malware. So you open up your guide here. Okay, so we'll go in details of this. Okay, so this is all it will be doing it. Okay, so it will be doing a damage, disrupt, steal, or all this information just now I told you. Okay, so first one is self-replicating. Okay, which will be replicating itself. That will be categorized as virus, worm, and rabbit.
That.
this rabbit
No, sir.
or worm?
No, sir. I only read about it once.
Virus. Okay. See, worm is like read once, write many times. WORM. Virus, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Worm is read once, write once, read many times. Okay.
No,
So
read once, write many times, right?
write once. WO.
Okay.
See you
Okay. Write once.
read
Okay,
many
okay, I got
times.
it, sir.
Okay. See, you downloaded something. Okay.
Yeah.
It will write only once. Means it will execute. It will write it once on the disk. That's it. After that, what it will do? It will be reading all your data. That's it. It will not do anything. It will be just reading your data. Okay. That is your worm. So worm is the replication method. How you will use here is we will see this in graphical context. Just now how I am explaining it, I will show you with the graphical. Let's do one theory part. Okay. So then we will see tomorrow your graphical presentation. Just now I was doing graphical presentation.
Yeah.
So similarly you will also get it like that so that it will be clear for you. Okay. So the replication method here is in virus. Okay. Only a host file is required like .exe, .doc, .scr. Then it will attach the code and it will try to run it. Okay. It will rely on human action. Virus will run on human action. Without this, virus will not execute it. Okay. So here payload is, what is the payload here is, it will corrupt the data or it will display unwanted messages or it will steal the information. This is the payload of virus. Okay. It will be self-replicating. Okay. Only if the host program is run.
Right.
Okay.
And existing files like .ex,
.exe, .doc.
C, yeah.
So how about your laptop? Did you got it from them, or you are still trying to format it?
I asked her, sir. She told me I'll ask the management, then I'll inform. That's it, sir. She didn't inform me. And today I installed Windows 10 and I installed everything, virtual machine and Kali Linux, everything I download. I want to install them.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
I asked my brother to get me one. He's also trying to do that.
Okay. So we will install it on the physical servers. Let me check with them whether we can use that. Okay. So we will come back to here. Okay. Worm, you have second one is, it does not require a host file. Okay. This is a standalone program. Okay. So here how this is going to propagate is, it will automatically spread, okay, across the network by exploiting the vulnerabilities. So you don't have to do anything here. Okay. This will sit in the background and it will automatically try to propagate. Means it will check how we can move ahead. Okay. So this payload for this one is, it will often consumes your bandwidth, or it will install a backdoor. You know backdoor, right? Yeah. So it will try to do a backdoor, or it will carry a ransomware. So it will trigger one more, it will get ransomware from outside. That is the intention of your worm. Okay. And it will spread very fastly. So that is the self-replication of the worm. Okay. So user intervention is not required here. Okay. Yes. Then you have something called rabbit. Rabbit is a fork bomb.
Sir?
So fork bomb, let's say it is like a bacteria. Okay.
Bacteria. Okay.
Does not infect files or spread to other machine. Okay. What it will do, instead it will replicate itself within the same system. It will do at the process level replication. Okay. So what this will do, it will create a multiple copies of itself, okay, until your resources are exhausted. Okay. So what it will do, it will directly consume your CPU. So your CPU is 2%. It will create one more process. Like that, it will use to create multiple copies until your CPU will become 100%. Okay. After that, what it will be done? Okay. Then your CPU will crash. Okay. Your memory will be full. You will not do anything. Okay. Basically, you are just sitting idle. You are not doing anything now. So that is the intention of the rabbit here. Now you got it. This is all the self-replicating malware. Okay. Then you have deceptive. Do you know what is deceptive? Deceptive is like betraying. So you thought it like it will be one thing, and that became as another thing. That has turned into another thing. Let's say you downloaded a VMware workstation. Okay, but it has turned out like it is a fake software. Hello?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this is your deceptive. Okay. Deceptive is, you will be Trojan horse. So we had a non-detail in when we are studying. We had a Trojan horse. So Trojan horse will be a malicious software. Okay, it will act as a legitimate software. Once you install, it will be like acting as a malware. Okay, this is just to trick you something like, okay, this is very good one. Once you install, that will be dangerous. It will just deceive you. Okay, it will not at all replicate itself. Okay, or it will not spread. So it will be just you need to take it inside. Then only it will run.
It will be, yeah.
Okay. So you will get a free MP3 downloader. Okay. So you will download it. Okay. Once you download it, it will automatically log your all passwords, and it will keep on sending it to the other person or the remote hacker. Okay. That is how this will work. Okay. Your Trojan horse. So then you have a dropper. This is also similar to Trojan horse only. Okay. But it will be designed to drop other malware files. Okay. Like it will take one file and it will drop there. It will go. Okay. Let's say you downloaded one PDF file. Okay. Or you are setting up a document or an image file. So you double click it. Okay. Once you double click that, you want to open, right?
Yeah.
So that file, what it will do, it will download two more files and put it in temporary directory.
Okay.
Okay. And it will not execute. So it will execute after 1 or 2 hours. Okay. So after execution, once it executes, you will block it. That is why they will be not executing it immediately. It will take some time and then it will trigger. That is what the dropper is. Okay. So then you have something called downloader. Okay. So this will be downloading from the remote server. Whatever the latest command you need to do, it will be downloading it from the remote server. So this deception mechanism is, okay, to contact the remote control. It will not do anything. Okay. It will just access it. It will create you as your system as a robot. Okay. This is what your deceptive will be doing. Okay. So it will be automatically connecting to the URL here or a IP address, and it will be downloading the additional software or additional malware. That is what it will be doing. Okay. That is your deceptive. And what is the extortion here? Extortion means what? Extortion means kidnapping and asking money. Okay. You give me money, then only I will give you access. Or else I will delete your files. Okay. So ransomware is a popular one. Okay. Where it will be asking the money. Okay. It will be asking money. Okay. If you are not paying, then you cannot access your files. This is purely for financial gain, to extort money from the victim. Okay. This will be like encrypting the files. Okay. Your files will stay there only, but you cannot use it. So your integrity is gone. Okay. Your integrity will be impacted. So have you heard about WannaCry? WannaCry, I will type here. Okay. You can search it in Google. Later after this class, you can search it in Google. WannaCry. Okay. lock bit, reveal, all these are types of ransomware attack. Okay, so which will be your attacking your integrity. Okay, then you have something called wiper. Wiper is where your goal is to destruct the data, no extraction, nothing. Okay,
Just to get distraction.
just to destroy the data, just to delete the data, that's it. Okay, so or else what it will do, it will corrupt the files. Okay, or it will delete the master boot record. Okay, so you cannot reverse this, that is how it will be done. Okay, wiper will be, it will be completely dangerous to delete it. Okay,
It will directly
delete the files. Okay,
Okay.
your data is gone. Okay, hopelessness, and they want to instill terror. Okay, that is the intention of wiper. You have, then you have something called doxware. Doxware is like I want to leak the information, I want to affect the reputation, your reputation should go. So
They are doing intentionally to
yeah,
destroy your reputation.
yeah, destroy the reputation. See, your apartment is you have constructed the apartment with very low quality of cement. Okay, if you are not giving money, okay, I will publish this article. Okay, so you are constructing the apartment in a illegal approval.
Yeah.
You didn't got this proper approval. I will publish this. Okay, so you are not a partner here. You got a fake license and you have built the apartment. If you give me money, then only I will be able to stop it, or else I will leak this data. This is what doxware will be doing with this type of. It is like double extortion. That is what we call it as doxware. Okay. It will be you will get threat and then they will ask money also. Both way. You need to be you pay or we leak. That's how it will be. This is all the extortion. Now you have stealth. Stealth is something like secret. Your information is kept secret. Okay, or the type of virus, it will be hidden. You cannot identify that. That is called stealth. Okay.
Unidentified.
So in stealth you will have rootkit, bootkit and firmware. Okay. So this will be our last topic. Okay. Then we'll do it tomorrow. Practical we'll see it how we can do it. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll do this rootkit. Okay. I will stop after this topic. Okay. Rootkit is something like at the operating system level. Okay. It will be like your kernel level or user level. So it will try to hide it on the system drive. Like it will be like normal files, but it will modify OS internal files. Okay. So it will be like hooking up all the process files. Okay. And then it will be acting differently. So why you will put rootkit is you want to create a backdoor. So that is why you will have a rootkit here. So the rest of the topics, okay, and we will see that how we will do it. We'll start one practical, then we'll do a theory session. After practical, we'll do a theory session. Okay.
Okay.
I will stop the recording now.